Are gig workers entitled to the same protections as full-time employees? In recent news, the question of whether gig workers deserve the same protections as full-time employees has gained significant attention. With the rise of the gig economy, many individuals are turning to flexible work options. This has led to discussions about the rights and benefits that should be available to these workers. If you are curious about the legal landscape surrounding gig work, you are not alone. Gig workers, often classified as independent contractors, typically do not receive the same benefits as traditional employees. This includes protections like minimum wage guarantees, health insurance, and paid leave. In many regions, gig workers are not considered employees under labor laws. This classification means they miss out on standard employee protections. However, there is a growing movement advocating for the rights of gig workers. Legal challenges are emerging that aim to reclassify these workers as employees. This reclassification could grant them access to essential protections. Earlier this week, a notable case was filed in California, seeking to redefine gig work and expand worker rights. Organizations like B-Lab suggest that companies should provide fair conditions for all workers, including those with gig or variable schedules. This includes clear expectations and fair wage practices. While these recommendations are not legally binding, they indicate a shift towards treating all workers with dignity. Laws are slowly changing to address the needs of gig workers. Some jurisdictions are considering new legislation that would offer certain benefits or protections to gig workers. However, these changes are not yet universally applied. The ongoing debate highlights the need for clearer legal definitions and protections for gig workers. As more people engage in gig work, the demand for similar rights to those enjoyed by full-time employees continues to grow. It remains to be seen how this issue will evolve in the coming months. As discussions progress, it is essential for gig workers to stay informed about their rights and any potential changes in the law.